So here on this chart, you can easily see gold has been trending downward, and it's in this descending wedge right here. Now, if you're not aware, descending wedge is a bullish pattern, and quite recently, gold broke that trend line, which is a bullish sign that it's, heading for a reversal. Now, nothing's written in stone, obviously, but that's definitely a very good sign that gold's saying it's ready to start heading upward. But with all that being said, this is all in the short term, and this is what I want to remind people. This is just the short term, trading patterns and charts. What I wanted to show you guys is this is what I do when things like this happen, and this is what I tell people to do if they're concerned. Zoom out on the charts. Now look at this chart. This is a long-term chart of gold since 2019, and you could easily see it has ups and downs. There's some big dips in there, but it's trending upward. Gold is in a long-term, uptrend, and I do believe we might possibly be seeing, we are seeing the beginning of a multi-year bull market in gold and silver. So when you get these little dips like this, I know they can be nail biting, but you just got to zoom out, look at the long-term trend, and that should calm your nerves. I know it works for me every time, guys. So while I continue to talk, I'll show you guys a recent pickup and tell you a little bit about it. But I've also had a few questions asked. A few people asked me about what the low that I think gold might hit, and the lowest I think gold might possibly go is 1600. I don't think we're gonna see that. I just think that would be the worst case scenario. But once again, I don't think we're gonna see that. I'd be happy to see that because it'd be a great buying opportunity. The gold inventory has been, just as low as the silver. So anyways, guys, I wanted to show this to you. I went into the LCS, and I was only planning on spending, $400 or $500, roughly around what a quarter ounce cost. And I asked him if he had any, generic rounds, and he said the only ones he had were these half ounce. He had a whole stack of different Canadian commemorative, I always have a struggle saying that, commemorative coins, all different kinds. And what he did say though is, I will sell them to you at melt. So right then and there, I asked if I could grab the pile and start looking through them, and I figured I'd pick the one with the design I like the most, and that's exactly what I did. So what we have here is a half ounce, and this is a 1985 Canadian Commemorative National Park round, or coin actually, because it actually has a face value of $100. So yeah, it's actually a coin. And what this is, it came with this little paper here that, tells you about it in this little certification box. And pretty much what it is it's a Canadian $100 22 karat gold proof coin. It's 27 millimeters and weighs about 16.9 grams, and 15.55 grams are gold, and the other 8.34 grams are fine silver. So it's 91.66%, pure gold, 22 karat. And yeah, pretty much this is the mountain sheep, a bighorn. So I thought it was really cool. I really liked it. And you can see the mountain on the background. It has an amazing proof finish. Any of those little scratches too, they're on the case. This thing is like flawless. And I almost drop it. It's probably never even been out of this case, I'm assuming. And then on the other side it has Queen Elizabeth, and it says Canada pretty much, and Regina DG. But anyways, it was a great looking coin for a great price, so I had to grab it, and I'm actually glad I did. I just, me, I like collecting a lot of what I collect lately based on how I feel about it and the artwork in it. And it's just amazing art, and it's, 1985. I actually looked online and was trying to find more of these, and I couldn't find any for sale. I found a few websites that have them listed, but they didn't have any available. So anyways, guys, I hope you like that. Pretty neat coin. I know, you know, I love a lot of Canadian gold and silver. It's just so beautiful. Is that too much light shining on that? So anyways, guys, yeah, I don't get shooken about these short-term trends up and down in gold or silver, because you guys know how I feel. I do this for the long term. I do it for insurance, and I do it because I like to collect it. So there's a lot of reasons on why I'm in precious metals. It's not just one. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme to me, or a, you know, a quick trade. So I really believe the prices that we seen the last few years are far gone. I really do believe that. And I believe in the next, you know, 5, 10 plus years, the prices that we're seeing now are going to be like absolutely gone. And we're going to look back and be like, can you believe that you were able to get gold for under $2,000? And can you believe you were able to buy silver for under $50? I mean, I really believe these are the conversations we're going to be having, you know, years down the road with each other on YouTube, in communities, and with friends and family. So I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think. Please let me know about any recent pickups you guys got. I'm real interested if there's any really, really amazing ones that I should check out just for the art fact of it, or just because it's an amazing coin. So yeah, guys, don't keep those from me. Let me know. I'm always looking for the next really nice coin, or, you know, round. So I want to thank everyone for listening. I want to remind you, March 22nd, I'm giving away a 1 ounce 2021 Krugerrand. So check that video out if you haven't already. I hope everyone's staying safe. Keep stacking, and please keep prepping, everyone.